Hi, I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. I'm here today to talk about steamed asparagus with cheese. Now, I know when you hear that, you might think about what your grandmother used to do, where she would overcook the asparagus and then put globs of that yellow stuff on top. That's not what we're going to do at all. We're going to do a great, delicious recipe. Let's start by putting some olive oil in a saute pan on high. Then we're going to cut our asparagus. Now, after you've washed your asparagus, you always want to trim off, 2 or 3 inches off the bottom. That's just a fibrous part that's not pleasant. We're going to put this asparagus into the hot olive oil. We'll add some sea salt, fresh cracked pepper, and we'll just give that a little toss just to coat the asparagus with the olive oil and the spices, the seasonings. Now we're going to add just a little bit of white sugar. And I know that sounds a little strange, but what's going to happen is that white sugar is just going to put a great shine on the asparagus. And finally, we're going to steam this, instead of in water, we're going to steam this in some white wine. Now this is Pinot Grigio, but you can use any white wine that you happen to have. Cover it and just let it begin to steam. You're going to get that olive oil coating the asparagus, the salt and pepper adds that great flavor, and then that wine is just going to reduce down and infuse itself into the asparagus while it steams. Okay, our asparagus should be done. Oh, it looks great. It's just got that vibrant green color. It's got a beautiful shine to it. Now, instead of a cheese sauce, I'm going to shave some Asiago cheese just right on top. Asiago's just got a nice, full flavor. It's a great cheese as an appetizer or on top of a vegetable like that. Your grandmother never even dreamed about making steamed asparagus with cheese like this. I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef.